Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to Life in Shorts. If you watched part 1, you already know how exciting my arrival at Dreamworld Resort was. So let's begin. The air conditioning keeps the room cool and comfortable, which is especially important during Karachi's warm weather. It makes the stay much more relaxing. Right beside the bed, there's a comfortable sitting area where you can enjoy your tea, chat with your family, or simply relax while planning the next adventure around your resort. One of my favorite parts is the view from the window. Looking outside, you can enjoy the peaceful surroundings and greenery, making the room feel even more relaxing. So this door is especially for those people who has booked two rooms attached with that door. This is the map of the whole dream world where you can find all the activities. If you cannot find it on Google or something else, so you can take help from this map. There are other magazines as well where you can find other activities like mango feast and other water activities as well. And here we are. This is the room at Dreamworld Resort. The first impression is really nice. It's clean, spacious, and has a calm atmosphere that's perfect after a long journey. Everything is neatly arranged, making the room feel welcoming from the moment you step inside. The room includes a tea and coffee setup where you can prepare a warm drink whenever you like. It's a small feature, but it definitely adds to the comfort of the stay. Here's the mini fridge in the room as well. It's clean, convenient, and perfect for keeping drinks and snacks cool throughout your stay. Especially our spending times outdoor in the resort, having a chilled drink ready in the room feels really refreshing. Here's a sliding cupboard. It has plenty of space to keep clothes, bags, and other essentials neatly organized during the stay. Inside the cupboard, there's also a locker where you can keep safely your valuables, like giving you extra peace of mind during your stay. Overall, this room offers a great balance of comfort, cleanliness, and convenience. So like, subscribe, and share.